Hey everyone, I'm finally back with another nail video. Today is going to be a cow print fill-in. Let's get into it. So I'm going to go in here with some nail glue and fill any lifted areas, push my cuticles back and nip them. Before I laid my acrylic powder, I did do a bonder primer. And because I don't like the smell of regular monomer, I use a Odorless by OPI. And I use Beauty Secrets Bright White Acrylic Powder. I thought using this acrylic powder would actually save me time, but I really didn't like the way this laid, and I wish I just would have did my regular pink acrylic and just used my white gel polish as my foundation. For the cow print design, I'm going to use a fine art brush and black gel nail polish. And if you can't tell, this is all freestyle. I'm just literally doing any type of shape. Many of you could probably relate, but this is probably the only time I get to do my nails. It's like late at night when the kids are asleep and you just in your zone finding stuff to do. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce this brand name, but this is a no wipe top coat. I absolutely love these because you just apply and you're done. So easy. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.